Yeah, I'm recording.
Hello guys, today I'm opening this toy.
Now tell them what kind of toy is this.
This is Salon Spa.
Salon Spa. Where'd you got it?
Um, um, I forgot.
Barnes.
Barnes and Noble.
Alright, show them the box.
What?
I'll show them the box.
I'm showing them it.
Okay. Who gave you that?
Mommy,
And?
Daddy.
Okay, open it. I think it's on the other side.
Right here.
Yeah, here. I'll remove the tape in here already. Ooh, what's that?
I don't know.
Ooh, this is for your belt bag.
Now I said it.
Oh, a magazine. Ooh. Choose a hairstyle. Salon and Spa Rewards. Wow. Oh, a hairbrush. Maybe you can put it here. Oh, a dustpan.
I cannot open it.
Okay, hold on.
Oh,
Is that all?
more.
What's in here? Oh, there's more. Pull it out. Pull the box. Pull the box. Yep. Careful.
Careful.
I started to open it for you. To pull it. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, a cream.
Green.
What's this? Face scrub. Okay, what else? So this is for cleaning after you service. There you go. What is that? Ow, that's sharp. Okay, natural shampoo and conditioner. What is this? iPads. Ooh, you put it here.
Can you close it?
Yep. All right. The hair blower. I started to help you to get the hair blower.
It's a hair blower.
What?
Scissors. Comb.
Stuck in my finger.
Does it work?
No.
Yeah, it does. We need battery for this. Oh my god. The screwdriver's downstairs. All right.
Like it.
Oh, show them again. Tell them it's a magazine.
This is a magazine. This is scissors.
Okay.
This is a blow dryer.
Mm-hmm.
This is, wait, what do you call this?
Eye mask.
Eye mask.
Mm-hmm.
Shampoo.
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
Space grab.
Face scrub. And then comb. And then brush.
Mm-hmm.
And then cleaning supplies. And
Wow.
then this.
Yeah, that's a belt bag. And then this is an appointment card. Wow, you're so professional, babe.
And this.
Okay.
So guys, today,
So this.
these are my salon and spa.
All right, show them what you got.
I got this
What is that?
blow dryer.
Mm-hmm.
I got this shampoo. And I got this
Magazine.
magazine. And I got this
Your cleaning stuff.
cleaning stuff. And this is
Facial scrub.
facial scrub. And then this is
Your iPads.
iPads.
And this.
And this.
Oh.
And this.
And that appointment card and your apron. Shut in your apron, Beam. See, you got the hairbrush, the scissors, and the comb. And this, I don't know what this thing called. The one that you put on your customers. Oh.
But Daddy has that.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't know what it's called though. Oh. Say thank you. Okay. Is she your customer, your Barbie head? Okay, show mommy what you're doing.
Today, I'm making the hair.
Okay. Oh my god, her hair is so beautiful.
Made it yet.
Oh, but it looks beautiful. Remember you shampoo her? Okay.
Now, which hair does she want?
I don't know.
This
Yeah, I guess.
and the color.
I don't know. You decide for her.
Okay, let's just use blue.
Okay. You're happy, Beam?